Welcome to JH. If you're currently drowning in a sea of PDFs, research papers, and those meeting notes nobody actually reads, you might want to pay attention. Today we're diving into Coral AI, the assistant promising to transform how students and professionals handle their documents. It claims to turn chaotic files into pure clarity, which is a bold promise for anyone who's seen the absolute disaster that is my downloads folder. It summarizes, searches, and even builds presentations, making it a digital Swiss Army knife for people who'd rather do literally anything else than read a 40-page report. The features are actually quite impressive. You can upload a massive PDF and get a concise summary in seconds, or use the information extraction tool to get answers backed by clickable citations. My personal favorite is the multi-file chat, which lets you talk to up to 100 files at once. Finally, a way to have a conversation where you're guaranteed to be the most interesting person in the room, mostly because the other participants are inanimate digital documents. It also generates mind maps and quizzes, just in case you really missed the crushing anxiety of being back in high school. On the plus side, it saves hours of tedious note-taking and features an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that even your tech-illiterate boss could figure out. Plus, they don't require a credit card for the trial, which is a rare act of mercy in today's subscription-obsessed world. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The offline functionality is pretty limited, and the best features are predictably locked behind a premium paywall, because apparently, free is a concept AI developers haven't fully embraced yet. You might also encounter the occasional citation hiccup in complex documents, so maybe don't bet your entire career on its word just yet. I put Coral AI to the test with a dense medical journal, and the summary was surprisingly spot on. It even highlighted complex terminology I'd completely glossed over, making me feel like I actually had a competent research assistant who doesn't complain about the lack of snacks. If you deal with a mountain of documents daily, this tool is a genuine game changer. Give it a try and let me know if it actually saved your sanity in the comments below.